Today we're going to show you how to safely and comfortably use your Hot Haven infrared sauna wrap. First, you're going to want to find a nice heat-resistant spot to place your wrap. Then, go ahead and change into an outfit that is lightweight and breathable. We recommend cotton, and you're definitely going to want to wear socks as well. Also, make sure that you have all the materials to use your wrap. We've included a Hot Haven infrared pillow, and then 4 cords, as well as the control box. The 3 gray cords are going to attach to the wrap as well as the box to heat the 3 different zones. When you turn on the control box, you are going to have the opportunity to set all 3 zones to your desired temperature as well as the time of your session. Now, if you are served ease on this box, that means there's an air with the corresponding plug, so make sure it has been inserted correctly. Now that the wrap is heating up, you're going to want to grab a couple towels and whatever else you want to make yourself comfortable during the sweat. As you tuck yourself in, we recommend starting with it pulled all the way up to your neck and then a towel below your chin to catch that sweat. The flaps on the top are going to be pulled over so that they just trap in more heat, keep the wrap warmer. You also want to make a little hole for one of your hands that you can access water and a remote throughout the time of your session. Please feel free to take arms out during your session if you do get a little too hot at any points. When it is time for you to get out, just slip on out, turn it off immediately, and then you're going to want to gently remove the plugs from the wrap. Once the wrap is completely cooled down, you can spray it clean and then towel it off. Once it's dry, fold it up for storage, and you're good to go. We hope you enjoy your session.